Hydraulic calculation of sprinkler systems, Winsprink version 5. What does Winsprink offer? No CAD program is necessary. Calculation with a proven kernel's precalc. A hand sketch or model of the plant from another CAD program is sufficient. Example of a sketch. Assign the pipe names according to the Winsprink default. Work order from top to bottom. Input project data. Input of the equivalent length table in the mode of operation. Entering the sprinkler data. Input of external elements such as hydrants. Input of different pipe types. Branch pipes with type designation R. Riser down pipes indicator F. Distribution pipes V. Main distribution pipes H. Supply pipe C. The pipes will be sorted accordingly in ascending order according to the type indicators in the report. Now let's have a look in detail at the input of sprinkler types S1 and S2. In particular, the manual input of fittings in the sprinkler supply pipe and the input of sprinkler values which are important for the calculation and, if necessary, additional lengths, for example for hoses. The input of range pipes is possible in multiple lines. First range pipe section is mapped over in one line. Let's take a closer look at the input of the first range pipe section. Here, range pipe R1. The first section is entered from node S1 to node S1. By using the copy function, we can map several identical sections. We only change the number of fittings and eventually to another inserted node, like the downpipe F1. Length adjustments may also be necessary. In the main folder, range pipes, one or more range pipes with details, can be copied as desired by using the copy function. We modify this range pipe R2 accordingly as it is connected by the sprinkler S2 as already defined in the sprinkler list and specified in our sketch. Quickly, the sections of the range pipe R2 can be copied again and then adjusted, also with the feed line to F2. Using the copy function in the main folder, the two different range pipes R1 and R2 can now be copied alternately in order to display the complete range pipe network according to our sketch. In this dialog, pipes can also be renamed or deleted. To specify which sprinklers belong to the operation area 1 to be calculated, we change the number in the operation area column. The 0 means that the sprinkler is not included in the calculation. It is also possible to assign more than one operation area number. The next step is to match the range pipes to the appropriate downpipes. Range pipes and sprinklers are now ready for calculation. But unfortunately, the input of the dimension of the range pipes was forgotten. In this case, we change only one of the 6 range pipes. Call up the change dialog that allows to transfer the changed values to other range pipes. This saves time. By looking at the sketch, you can see which area has already been entered. Continue with the input of 6 downpipes. F1 to F6 are each entered individually, also using the copy function with connection and node V1. The height difference is negative with the viewing direction to the feed-in point. Distribution pipe V1 again consists of individual parts, which is entered in multiple lines. And end nodes are the respective drop lines F1 to F6 and H1. H1 is presented in a single line with end node Z1. Z1 also with a single line with the end node feed-in point E0 and all installation parts. To start the calculation, click on the icon to activate the output window. Then click on the calculation button. The result from the calculation of the operation area is now available and a suitable pump can be searched for. This is a pre-filtered pump list by manufacturer and matching the result of the calculation. For calculation with the selected pump, the check mark must be set in the project data window. The intersection with the pump curve is then displayed in the pump curve graph. Intersection with the pump curve and the result of the calculation. On our homepage you can get much more information about our calculation programs, BriCAD for Revit, AutoCAD, BricsCAD and Interface to MicroStation. Get your free 14 days demo version as a full version today at www.idat.de.